Weather forecasts are so inaccurate. How can climate scientists expect us to believe their predictions for the entire planet?
Localized temperatures over short periods of time can fluctuate greatly. When we plot these short-term temperatures on a graph, we see large peaks and valleys. Meteorologists use various tools such as satellite-based radar to make short-term weather predictions. Their predictions become less accurate when they are made many days in advance. Climatologists use much more information to build their long-term predictions. They have the law of large numbers on their side. Data is gathered from more than 1,000 weather stations on Earth. The temperatures recorded at each station are accumulated to determine an estimate for the average temperature of the planet. The law of large numbers ensures that, as more data becomes available, the average will be closer to the expected result. Even if the temperature at every weather station on Earth was a random value between -50 and +50 degrees Celsius, the average value will remain close to zero. Now look what happens when we calculate monthly averages, still using 1,000 random values per day. As we add more and more data to the chart, calculating averages over years of data becomes a horizontal line. With this much data, the only way for the graphed curve to move away from zero is if the range of possible values changes. A natural change in the ranges at each specific location can be caused by many different things. Orbital wobbles, axial tilt, and the greenhouse effect are examples. If each location on Earth was staying within some expected range, the graph temperature trends would not have any variation and would be a horizontal line. This is what the temperature curve is actually doing. With ice core samples, scientists are able to determine temperature trends from thousands of years ago. According to this data, the Earth's temperature has just recovered from a glaciation event. The data seems to indicate that the last 100 years are not following the expected long-term trend. There is something unusual happening in our current glaciation cycle. A great thing about technological advancement and human ingenuity is that we actually have the understanding and ability to control the planet's average temperature by manipulating the greenhouse effect. Thanks for watching. Links to references are in the description. Shout out to my daughter for voiceover on the first frame.